Chief Meteorologist Nikki-Dee with KLBK's first warning weather.
Temperatures continue to drop across the South Plains. Like I told you just a second ago, we actually hit the high at 33 degrees this morning, like around 7 o'clock. So a lot of people are asking, are the roadways safe to drive on? Well, let me just say, TxDOT does a phenomenal job of keeping us safe. And on top of that, we haven't seen too much in the way of precipitation today. Yes, I know a lot of you saw some snowflakes and it was pretty, and I heard your griping on Facebook, and I did some griping myself. But if it's going to be cold, we might as well see a little bit of snow. But thankfully, we didn't see a lot of it, and those roadways are looking nice all across the South Plains. But remember, continue to have caution because we are seeing some runoff. Some people are leaving their sprinklers on accident, and that is going to cause things to freeze rapidly. So just be careful and mindful across the South Plains. However, as far as the cloud cover is concerned, we had a very thick layer of clouds earlier on, and now things are beginning to clear out. We do have quite a bit of clouds right along the Texas-New Mexico state line, but off into the rolling plains, we are seeing some clearing taking place. And up to the north, some clearings taking place as well. But you know what this means? Where you've got these clear areas, you're going to deal with some radiational cooling because light winds are taking shape across the majority of the U.S. And then you've got the clear skies, and temperatures do continue to drop. Right now, we're at 1 degree in Omaha, 0 Kansas City, 5 below just up in Minneapolis, and you head into the hub, we're at 22. Makes us sound like we're a hot spot to be because that is quite a bit warmer than what we are seeing elsewhere across the U.S. Up to the north, Amarillo, 19 degrees, 21 in Plainview. Head further into San Angelo, we are at 26 degrees. Now remember this time yesterday, we were talking about, hey, take advantage of it, go out there, see the beautiful moon. Temperatures are pretty nice. Well, 24 hours ago, temperatures were actually 13 degrees warmer than what they are right here in the hub city as well as into Plainview. Amarillo, 16 degrees warmer than what they are right now. And you head into San Angelo, we're at 17 degrees difference. So quite a bit of a difference as far as your 24 hours are concerned. Now in your backyards, you are seeing a very cold evening. To the northern extent, we've got the teens, we've got the 20s further along the Texas-New Mexico state line, and then off into the rolling plains. We have a mixed bag of the teens as well as the 20s. 20 right now in Raw, 16 in Roaring Springs. But what does it feel like? Well, the winds thankfully do continue to decrease all across the South Plains, so that is a plus, but we still do have a slight wind chill. Wind chills right now coming in 9 degrees in Roaring Springs, 19 in Spur. This is what it actually feels like. Is if you go outside, it's going to feel really cold. It's feeling as if we're at 20 degrees in Muleshoe, 17 over in Dora. So you're going to want to bundle up. Make sure you're taking those proper precautions this evening. Now today, winds, they were coming out of the north. That was giving us a very brutal feel. As we go into tomorrow, things are going to flip-flop. Winds are going to now become out of the southwest. This is drier air being pulled in from the western portion of the area. That's really going to warm those temperatures up, and it's going to dry us out. So we are going to see a major increase in the way of our numbers as we go further into tomorrow. Now, on top of that, it is going to be a breezy day. So ladies, skirt alert, even though temperatures will feel warm because we will getting into the 40s, but it is going to be much cooler than what it should be for this time of year. Then we head into Thursday evening. That's when things begin to change again. We've got another cold front headed our way. This is going to impact us in the overnight hours. So let the kiddos know Thursday into Friday, they may wake up to some winds because winds are going to be sustained around 20 to 25 miles per hour at times with gusts around 30 to 35 miles per hour. This is bringing in our next system. This particular system not only is going to be giving us some cooler air, but also some moisture. So we could be seeing some more snow flurries across the South Plains. But in the immediate zones, no snow in the forecast over the next 24 hours. We will see a few upper level clouds down towards the south as we head into tomorrow. Then we will see a slight clearing taking shape, and then notice all the moisture coming in out of the south. Midland looking to see some snowfall, and then we head further into our Friday where we're looking to see not only a rain-snow mix, but also just some snow down towards Higginbotham into Seminole, over into Hobbs, and down to the southern row of counties, even including Snyder, looking to see some of that activity. How much? Well, it's looking to be less than a 1/10 of an inch, but we're still going to see a little bit of activity down to the southern extent, so do not be surprised. Temperatures for tomorrow morning will start out at 16 degrees for your low, feeling as if we're in the single digits. 46 by the afternoon, and that's thanks to those winds coming in out of the southwest, 15 to 20 miles per hour. Heading further into our Friday, 20 degrees for your low, 29 for the high. That 10% is strictly for the southern areas where we are looking to see a little bit of snowfall. By Saturday, 17 degrees for your low. We will top out at 43 by the afternoon, but then we're into the 50s Sunday into Monday. But remember, we're looking to stay pretty chilly this winter. So please be mindful of that. Do not put up any of your sweaters just yet.
Yeah, keep them out.
I appreciate it, Nikki-Dee. Well, still more news to come here.